Hey guys, so it's Emmy here, and today I've got a really good video for you today. So we're going to be changing my C220d fake exhaust tips to a C43 facelift style exhaust tips and diffuser. Now it's 1 degree outside, so I'm making this video in the cold, but it'll be worth it in the end, I'm sure. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so here we have my stock exhaust. So these are actually fake tips. Now this is for the C220d. It doesn't look too bad, but I wanted something a little bit better and some real exhaust tips. So we'll get into what came into the parcel. Okay, so firstly what we have is the exhaust tips itself. These are the silver exhaust tips. You can get them in gloss black as well. So these are the Facelift C43 style exhaust tips. And there we go, that's that one. Of course, these come in a pair, and this is the bracket that holds the exhaust. So we'll be needing that to hold both sides in. Now, these are the fascia plates. These also clip into the bracket and sit just behind the diffuser. And we'll move on. So all the screws here are present. There's a few rivets. Now you'll see I didn't actually really use them later on. And lastly, we have our gloss black diffuser. Looks a lot better than the original stock one, which is a little bit sort of grayed out little plastic. So yeah, we'll move on to starting this. So firstly, what we have is our exhaust tip. Now what you have to do is slide the bracket on, just as you can see in the video, and you'll see me actually put the screws and line it up with the brackets just on either side. You'll see it takes a bit of time. I did have to bend some of the actual metal brackets just to get them to line up, and we get our screws and we just screw them in straight into the actual bracket itself, as you can see. Once we've done that, we've pretty much got this side ready, and you can repeat that for the other side. If you are running a diesel, you will have to do some cutting, to which we'll show later on. And as you can see, the fascia just clips into the actual plastic clips right there. So let's move over to the car. Okay, so firstly there are a few 10mm bolts that you'll see just at the bottom of the bumper. There's 2 on each side. I've not managed to picture it too well there, but also there's also a plastic rivet that we need to pry out, and also 1 metal rivet that we need to drill out as well. Okay, so next we want to pry against this bit and slowly work our way across the diffuser to get the whole diffuser off.
Always be my night sky.
To a little bit of a stop here now. Taking that exhaust tip off, and now when we try to go fit this, the actual exhaust is getting in the way. Now what we're going to have to do is get the angle grinder out and cut just around this section, just so it gives it some space to go in. So we'll go ahead and do it.
Tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. In your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 'cause you got me holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes sound funny, my tongue tied up on it.
Okay guys, so as you can see, I've done quite a bit of cutting there just to let the exhaust pipe go through. And now what we need to do is just clip these clips into position right here, and then make sure that this bit of the clip is also above that black plastic bit, the dirty bit, and then we've got it mounted, so pretty much there. The first one. There we are. Is that we've taken the rivets out. We now need to put new rivets in, but I don't actually have a rivet, so what we'll do is we'll put some cable ties in there and that'll hold it nicely. So let's just do that. Just to explain what I just did basically just before is, so we put cable tie through the hole there, through the exhaust bracket, and now it's nice and sturdy there. Now we just have to pop one just around there and we should be pretty much there now. Okay, so finally finished up on this side. So just to recap, we've cut the bottom of the exhaust here, placed the clips of the exhaust into the bumper, and then lastly we've cable tied this clip here and also the clip around here just here. And we're pretty much ready to do the same thing just on the other side, and once we can do that we can get the diffuser on, so we'll skip to that.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to.
Okay guys, so this is the driver's side exhaust tip now. Done so much angle grinding, I literally destroyed pretty much all of it. I've also had to edit some of the plastic bracket just to make this work, because I didn't realise the AdBlue tank is so close to it. It's pretty much removed the majority of the exhaust tip, but now pretty much just got the tips. And what I've done is, because we've had to get rid of the brackets that hold on to the plastic bit, there's actually a hole already there, and I've just placed a screw in there, and that just keeps it sort of a little bit sturdy basically. Now what we can do now is just place that into the actual bumper now itself, and then we're pretty much done. Okay guys, so finally fitted both sides together now, and last thing to do is put the gloss black diffuser back on now, and then we can just bolt everything back up. So let's go and do that.
Up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Look, if you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, I can help you out, I can help you out, I can help.
Okay guys, so completed the full install, so I'm pretty happy with the result. Just show you from the side what it looks like. So much more aggressive than before. Not 100% happy with that right tailpipe, but we can change it a little bit later on. But overall it looks a lot better than the old one pretty much, so there you go guys. Okay guys, so there we have it. Installed the C43 diffuser here. Now it looks much better. I think next we're going to do a spoiler and maybe some side splitters as well coming. But yeah, if you like the video guys, please like, comment and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and I can do a lot more mods when you do rate the video basically. So yeah, cheers, thanks guys.